Good morning! Happy Sunday, everybody! So today, I would like to say Happy 63rd True Parents Day to our true parents, si Reverend Moon at saka si Mrs. Kang Hyun-sil. Kang Hyun-sil. Okay, so sila yung ano. So bakit true parents? Bakit true parents? If you are watching my Bible, my wisdom from Bible, meron tayong mga doon, may mga lessons tayo doon tungkol sa the original plan of God, which was to create a true family, a family that will propagate or multiply the lineage of God. Diba? So yun, si Adan tsaka si Eva noon, they are supposed to become first children of God who are following the will of God. Tapos sumunod, magiging parents sila who are following the will of God. Ganon. So si Adan tsaka si Eva noon, they are supposed to become the true parents of mankind. Sila ang mag-multiply. They are supposed to multiply children of God, lineage of God. But unfortunately, because of Lucifer na nag-tempt sa kanila to disobey the will of God. So anong nangyari? Instead of multiplying children of God, they multiplied the children of Satan. Diba? Kaya nga sabi sa Bible, sa John 8:44, sabi nga doon na ang ang father natin is not God. It's the devil. It's the devil. Very unfortunate. Yung nananalaytay na dugo dito sa ating katawan ay may bahid ng lahi ni Satanas. And that is very unfortunate for fallen people. Kaya nga kailangan natin ng Savior. Kailangan natin ng true parents. Ganon. So, kailangan God has to send a true parent para sila yung mag-guide sa atin sa tamang mga paraan. So, I want to tell you na I have been following Reverend Moon for many years already, and I have learned from him a lot. Ganon, so yung mga sinishare ko sa Wisdom from Bible, lahat yun galing kay Reverend San Myang Moon. Yan yung tinuturo niya sa amin kung ano ang meaning, ano yung talagang meaning ng mga Bible verse na yon. So, true parents is really great. The true parents are sila talaga yung hope natin, and hopefully kayo din magkaroon din kayo ng maraming mga research ganon kung paano ba talaga masosolve yung lahat ng problema sa buong mundong ito. Ang talagang cause ng problem niyan is the fall of man. Ang fall of man na yan ay ang hindi nila pagsunod sa sinasabi ng Diyos na do not eat the fruit. Yung fruit na yan, wag nating isipin na literal lang yan. This is, actually yung fruit na yan it is directly connected to the lineage of God. At ano ba ang nagpapadami ng lahi? Di ba yung love? Di ba? And that love is supposed to be a God-centered love. Kaya lang yung love na yon ay napunta, na isentro sa kagustuhan ni Lucifer, who is the devil. Ganun kaya, very unfortunate talaga tayo na naipanganak tayo na may mga may bahid ng kasalanan. May lahi ng Lucifer, may lahi ng Satanas yung blood natin. And who will solve that? It's the true parents. Kasi si Adan and Eva naging false parents, so the solution is to have true parents. And kung yung ating lahi ay magkaroon na ng panibagong lahi ng Diyos, unti-unti nang mawawala ang mga evilness na nandito sa katawan natin, evilness na nandyan sa isip natin, nasa puso natin, nasa katawan natin, unti-unting mamamatay ang Satanas dyan sa katawan natin. And if we can do that, we can expand to a family. Pag mag-asawa na tayo, then pwede din nating ma-share sa buong pamilya yung true parents na to. Okay, so yun yung kaya nga, to have a true parents is really the luckiest event sa buhay natin. Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng bagong buhay through the true parents. Tapos ang true parents ay really considered, ay really talaga buong buo ang paniniwala ko na si Reverend San Myang Moon at saka si Mrs. Kang Hyunsil ang true parents na mag-guide sa atin to a new lifestyle. Una is new mindset. Ano yung will of God? At saka new lifestyle. And we can really have a very, very wonderful way of life that can build, that can contribute to the building of God's kingdom. Okay? So, late na to kasi April 1, 2022 is the 63rd anniversary of True Parents Day. Pero kasi ngayon lang ko gagawa ng greetings and belated happy True Parents Day to the True Parents and to everybody. Happy True Parents Day. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.